Welcome back to Pratik Academy. In this video, we'll study or we will see formulas for finding out areas of some standard figures. काही ठराविक आकृतींसाठीच्या क्षेत्रफळ काढण्याचे आपण फॉर्म्युले पाहूया. सो स्टार्ट विथ ट्रायंगल. Okay. Suppose this is a triangle and it's having, suppose this is a triangle ABC having base BC, length B dile, and this is the perpendicular drawn on base which is called as a height. त्रिकोण आहे ABC, BC हा पाया आहे आणि H ही उंची आहे. Then what is the formula when height and base is given? Area is equal to, then area is equal to 1/2 into base into height, म्हणजेच 1/2 B into H. मराठीमध्ये आपण म्हणतो पाया गुणिले उंची. हा आहे एरिया फॉर ट्रायंगल. Okay. Suppose there is another one formula. This is the first formula for triangle. Second, if it is right angle triangle, particularly if it is right angled triangle, then it is looking like this. Okay, A, B, C. Here if you treat this as a base B, then the side which is perpendicular to base is called as H, height. Okay, then again here formula changes. I am writing all these formulas for area, so special mention करत नाही इथं. Area A is equal to 1/2 into again base into height, so B into H. Or these two sides are making perpendicular or making right angle, so we can also write as a 1/2 into product of right angle or product of sides making right angle, making right angle. Okay, so this is two formulas. There is another one important formula for triangle. Okay, we are seeing all these formulas for triangle only. Suppose this is triangle ABC having sides A, B, C. हे जर त्रिकोणाच्या 3 बाजू दिल्या असतील आणि आपल्याला हाईट माहीत नाही, आपल्याला इथं BC बेस माहीत आहे, हाईट माहीत नाही, त्यावेळी हा दोन फॉर्म्युले आपल्याला यूज करता येणार नाही आहेत. सो देअरफॉर और ॲट द टाइम यू हॅव टू यूज हिरोज फॉर्म्युला. त्याचं सूत्र आहे एरिया इज इक्वल टू S इंटू ब्रॅकेट S मायनस A, S मायनस B, S मायनस C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. म्हणजे त्याला आपण म्हणतो हाफ पेरिमीटर. हा फॉर्म्युला कधी यूज करायचा? ज्यावेळी आपल्याला ट्रायंगलच्या 3 साईड्स माहीत असतील आणि त्याची हाईट माहीत नाही, त्यावेळी हा फॉर्म्युला आपण यूज करतो. ओके, सो दीज आर द फॉर्म्युलाज फॉर ट्रायंगल. नेक्स्ट फॉर्म्युला विल सी फॉर square. Area of square formula. Okay, if this is the square is having all sides equal and each angle is 90 degree, and area of square formula is the side square formula for area. If side is A having length A, then it will changes to A square. Next, we will look for rectangle, area of rectangle formula we are writing. Okay. This is a rectangle having base as a B, height as a H, or we can call it as a BH, and formula will be equal to B into H, or called as a base into height. In some book, instead of B they are using L. At that time this changes to L into H. Okay. दोन बाजूंचा फक्त गुणाकार. Okay. Then next we'll see area of parallelogram. For parallelogram, this is the figure of parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay. And if we treat BC as a base and AM is the height, then formula for parallelogram is, or area of parallelogram, it's simply base into height. Okay, so here B into H is the formula for parallelogram. Next we will discuss area for rhombus. Okay, this is the figure for rhombus. Okay, A, B, C, D. If we join this, then AC is a diagonal. Again here BD is a diagonal. And formula for area of rhombus is 1/2 into product of diagonals. यामध्ये काय येईल 1/2 into AC into BD. This is the formula for rhombus. And next we look for trapezium. Last type is trapezium, and this is the figure for trapezium. We have discussed all these types in our previous video. A, B, C, D is a rhombus, and suppose this is the height H. The formula for rhombus is, rhombus area formula is 1/2 into sum of lengths of parallel sides, into height H. That is, here in this case parallel sides are AB and CD, so AB plus CD into H. This is the formula for rhombus. Okay, last formula or last figure we will see, that is circle. So this is the circle, center having radius R. Then area formula is pi R square. Okay, if diameter is given, then we know that radius is half of diameter, so d by 2 square. So this changes to pi d square upon 4, or pi d square by 4, where is pi is a constant and its value is 3.14, and it is continuing, or you can take it as a 22.7. So these are the formulas for some simple standard geometries. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any doubt regarding these formulas, you can contact to us on our number provided. Thank you for watching this video.